Class 12, Subject Business Studies, Part 1, Chapter number 1, Nature and Significance of Management. Now, in this chapter, we are going to study complete information about the term management. Okay, first of all, let us start with the concept of management. What is management? Management is basically an activity which is necessary wherever there is a group of people working in an organization. Management aims at guiding their efforts towards achieving a common objective. Okay, it consists of those type of the activities which is very necessary to be performed when there is a group of the people working togetherly in an organization. Okay, and basically management provides what? Management guides with all their directions. They provides the complete directions to all the group of the people working in an organizations. For what? For achieving the common objective. What do you mean by common objective? Common objective means the goal, the target of the organization. Like for example, if we take the example of a educational institution, what is the common goal? Educational goal. To achieve educational goal is the common objective. Okay, so for achieving the educational goal, we have to work, every group of the people who is working in an educational organizations have to work for a common objective. Okay, so this efforts are done by the management of an organization. Okay, basically management includes three terms, which is process, effectively, and efficiently. What do you mean by the process? Process, that means whenever the management work starts with the primary functions. Okay, primary functions of management. What are the primary functions of the management? That means the planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. These are the 5 main steps of the management. Okay, without performing these primary functions, no management can work. So this process of the management is most important in the term management. How to do the management of an organization? For that, the process of organization has to be done first. Okay, after the process is decided, after the process is done, the process should be done effectively. Effectively, by the term, it means that doing the right task and completing the activities and get the results. Okay, and efficiently means doing the task correctly with the minimum cost. In the previous class, we studied about the 3 main elements, that is process, effectively, and efficiently. Okay, now what is the difference between the effectiveness and efficiency? Effectiveness is the degree to which something successful in producing a desired goal. That means whenever the work is to be done, it is to done for getting the final result. It is the degree to which the something successful we have to do it for getting the better result. Okay, and efficiency, that means working with a quality or the property of being efficient. That means for working very efficiently and getting the better quality output. Second main point of the difference between the effectiveness and efficiency is that it refers to the degree of the success. Okay, effectiveness refers to what it that means for getting the success, for getting the result, and it is efficiently is it refers to achieving results in an optimal manner. That means by putting the output in a minimum, at the minimum, and getting the result at the optimal manner. Okay, it is usefulness of thing. That means simply we are doing a task, we are using something which is provided to us, that we are doing our task in a right way. Okay, it is the manner in which something is done. That means how to do the things right that we are doing over here. It is, well, again, the next difference is it is doing the right thing, it is doing the things right. Okay, and the next last point is it is characterized by the successful result. Simply after doing the effective work, we get the better result. Okay, and it is characterized by minimum of waste, expense, or the necessary effort. As I said earlier also, that whenever we are doing some task, if we are doing it correctly with the minimum cost, then it is done efficiently. So we are going to study the definition of management. Okay, as we have already learned the concept of the management, that it is the type of the activity which is very necessary for the group of the people who are working in an organization to achieve their goal. It is very important. Okay, now there are several definitions which is mentioned in your book also, and some of the scholars definitions I have given over here, that is according to the Harold Nutz and according to Peter F. Drucker. These are the two main important scholars which you have to learn. Okay, according to the Harold Nutz, it is given that the management is the process of designing and maintaining an environment in which an individual working together in groups efficiently accomplish selected aims. Okay, that means what? Management is a process. The process, that means performing all the steps, that is planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. Okay, all these process is done by the management process of designing and maintaining an environment. If the process is done, then the complete environment of an organization is designed and maintained, in which all the individuals, that means all the group of the people with who are involved in an organization, that all people, they work together in groups, they work efficiently, that means with a very minimum cost and with the minimum wastage, when they are working very efficiently to achieve the targeted aims or the selected aims, whatsoever is decided by the management. And according to Peter F. Drucker, has given the definition of management as: management is multi-purpose organ that manages a business and manages managers and manages workers and work. Okay, it is, management is having the multi-purpose functions. That means what all functions, what it is a multi-purpose organ. Why? Because at the first step it manages the complete business, second step it manages the managers, those who are working for the organization, and also it manages the workers, that means the employees of an organization, and also how they are going to work in an organization. Okay,